Hello and welcome to our next innovaphone myApps tutorial. In today's video, we will show you how to obtain the myApps cloud service in the portal myInnovaphone. All you need to do is follow a few steps and you will be able to get a customized solution for your business communication. Using your personal user account, go ahead and log into myInnovaphone. If you need help creating a personal user account or a company account in the portal myInnovaphone, please watch our previous video, the myApps tutorial number 14. Before discussing the process of concluding the cloud contract, we would like to outline the two scenarios of who may be the contractual partner. Either an authorized innovaphone partner, or if desired an end customer, places an order in his or her own name. Or the authorized innovaphone partner places an order on behalf of an end customer. So, go ahead and select the account of the company you will be concluding the contract for. Now, click on Add Contract. Select the service for which you would like to conclude a contract. You will receive the notification that 3 consecutive contracts need to be concluded for the myApps cloud service. Contract A covers the provision of an innovaphone PBX with the corresponding app platform in the cloud. The required information for the entry fields will be transferred automatically from your personal user account and the company account. Please confirm the correctness of your data and the privacy notice and continue. After having checked all entries and the special notes, you can submit the offer for myApps cloud services. Now, Contract B will pop up. This is the contract on renting innovaphone software products. It regulates the rental of the respective licenses. Please confirm that you read the special notes and place your contractually binding order on the last page. Contract C focuses on the data processing agreement according to GDPR. Please confirm the respective notes and accept the offer. The last step is to specify the domain name or the system name of the installation where the myApps cloud service is to be installed. Here, it makes sense to enter the same domain that the PBX user also uses. Enter the domain name of the PBX user, meaning the domain name that is also used for emails. In the second field, please enter the number of estimated users and trunks of the PBX. Now, please enter the domain name that is granted access rights for the administration of the cloud instances. Following is a quick overview of the next steps. With a company account, contracts with Innovaphone AG that have already been concluded are marked in the color green. Contracts that are still being processed are marked in yellow. You and the person giving the power of attorney will both receive the concluded contracts in PDF format, plus the general terms and conditions of Innovaphone via email. You also have the option to download the contract documents in the portal directly by clicking onto the download button. Innovaphone will validate your contractual data within 24 hours and you will receive an installation link for the myApps cloud via email. Watch our next myApps tutorial to learn how to install myApps cloud. You can find our myApps tutorials on our website, our YouTube channel and in the tutorials app. Many thanks for watching and see you again next time.